Hello and welcome to this new update on my DIY remote controller surface. As I have anticipated and as you can see, I have added two more channels. So now in total I am at 5 channels. And more than this, for the very first time, I've created an improvisation, a real improvisation, musical improvisation on 5 tracks in Cubase. So for the first time, I really used the surface to create something real. And I have to say that I'm not only very happy of the interaction and the way the channel, the strips works, but I'm surprised how smooth and stable everything is working. I didn't have almost any problem. So I'm super excited about this. Only issue is that I learned that using MIDI tracks and VST instrument tracks, so in a way tracks which has a MIDI component, can have some unwanted interaction with the console, which is also communicating in MIDI. I think because my main board is communicated to the PC using MIDI on all channels. So I will have to work it a little bit in order to ensure that all the MIDI message coming from the interface goes to a channel which is not the channel used to control the MIDI tracks and the VST instrument. Other than that, as I said, everything was very smooth. Another interesting feature that I used for the first time on a real thing is the EQ one. So now I'm switching on the EQ. Sorry, this was already the EQ. And as you can see here, I can move and control in a real thing for the first time 2 bandwidths of the EQ. Of course, I can control only 2. I can also activate and deactivate clicking on the rotary encoder. Of course, I can use only 2 bandwidth because I have 5 strips, and so I can use only the first 4 to do this. As soon as I will have all the 8, I will be able to control the 4 bandwidth. But that's it. I'm super happy, super excited. In the next video, I will add 2 new channels in order to arrive at 7. I already know that when I will be there, I will have to stop for a moment because I already know that I have a problem that I need to resolve. Which is that I'm running out of UART channel on my SAM E17. There are available 8, and with 7 channel plus the display, which is also working through UART, I will be running out of available UART peripheral. So I will have to find a solution, and I will have a little bit to work it to resolve. That's it. I'm super happy. Thank you very much. If you like my work, if you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if not yet done. And I'll see you in the next video with hopefully 7 channel. Thank you very much.